What if I told you there's a way to make money online in 2025 without showing your face, without filming videos, and without spending a single dollar upfront? And before you ask, I'm not some guru with a Lambo parked in my garage. I'm just someone who cracked a code most people overcomplicate, and I'm about to hand you the blueprint. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn a niche you love and tools you already use into a system that works while you sleep. But here is the catch. I am only sharing the first half of the strategy today. If you want the full automation hack, the one that lets you batch create a month of content in 2 hours, you will need to stick around. So in step 1, where we are going to validate demand for our product by doing keyword research. So in this video, I'm going to teach you an alternative method to what your normal gurus will teach you, because most gurus will tell you to first begin by going to ClickBank or any affiliate marketing website. We're going to reverse engineer that and begin with a keyword research to validate demand for our product. The first website we're going to use is Google Trends, which is a free website that is available that you can easily access by going to the website trends.google.com. Add a search term related to one of the interests that you want to promote. So for instance, in this case, I would be interested in promoting AI tools. So in that case, I would come here to Google Trends and search AI tools to just see how this keyword is performing. So we are going to put our period or custom time range to be 12 months. And when you look at this graph concerning the interest over time, keyword searches on AI tools have been growing, and the graph actually steepens from December last year to January at the moment. So this graph shows us that the interest has been growing over time, and you can play around with this custom time range to see how the keyword is performing across different time periods. When you do like the past 4 hours, you can see how the graph looks like. So this means that this is a topic that is of much interest. You can also do the past 7 days, and you can see the graph how interest has been over time. So once you can also check interest by region. So this website also shows that AI tools have been searched a lot in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. So maybe these statistics could be good in helping you know which countries to target, especially if you're going to do social media marketing. So these statistics could become useful. And you can go further down here to look at some of the topics related to AI that have been working well. This could also help you when it comes to building your content. So we can see related topics here are DeepSeek, best practice, important, other, and efficiency. And related keywords here are DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek hour. So this provides us with a basic outline on how this tool has been performing. So the other tool we could also use to check out interest over time is UmaSuggest by neilpatel.com. So we're just going to redo the search AI tools. Then you click search here. So when you look at these statistics, we can see clearly that this keyword AI tools has a search volume of approximately 90,500, which is a high search volume. So search volume refers to the number of searches this particular keyword has during a month in a selected location. So in the USA alone, this keyword is searched almost 90,500 times. From the search volume history, keyword has been rising. So and below here we have some keyword ideas on what searched commonly. So we can see one of the most common keywords that has been searched is AI tools free, AI tools for marketing, AI tools for business, AI tools for writing, and AI tools directory. We also have a list of questions here that have been asked concerning AI, like AI tools list. We can also see comparisons here. We have AI tools like ChatGPT, a massive 1.3k volume searches per month. If we come down here at content ideas, we can see different kinds of content ideas. For example, we have top 10 artificial intelligence technologies in 2020, 5 most powerful AI tools in DaVinci Resolve. Anyone can now use powerful AI tools to make images. Social media marketing strategy in 2025. Once you're done using this tool, you can also consider using the answerthepublic.com website. So this is another tool that can help you have a rough idea on how a certain keyword related to your product has interest. So what you can do here is also come and search for AI tools. So when we search for the term AI tools on Answer the Public, for the USA market, we can see that there are generally 75 questions on AI tools, and they are categorized based on highly searched, average searched, and lowest searched. There's this image here that gives you questions related to why. For example, we can see which AI tools can generate images. Those are some of the questions people are asking. Which AI tool is best for writing? Which AI tools are worth paying for? Can AI detection tools be wrong? Beyond that, we also have prepositions, 71 prepositions on AI tools. You can combine the data from these tools to generally have a rough idea of how your interest is performing over time. So for example, if you're interested in health and wellness, you could still search for health as the keyword and just get to see the statistics on how the topic is performing over time. So this will help validate the demand in the product that you're likely to promote in your affiliate program. So once we are done with keyword research, we are now ready to move into the second step, which is choosing an affiliate product. So in this video, I'm going to use Lemon Squeezy as my choice of platform, the affiliate product. Lemon Squeezy is one of the companies that is easy to sign up with for an affiliate product. Yeah, so it is on a mission. When you look at their website, they say that they are on a mission to make selling digital products easy peasy. We know firsthand the challenges of selling digital goods globally and are here to fix them. Lemon Squeezy has an affiliate program that consists of a number of different softwares that are promoted. Their affiliate program is a good opportunity for people who are interested in software to effortlessly boost their earnings as they promote the softwares that they would love to use within their platforms. All you're going to do is come to their website, click get started for free. But in my case, since I already have an account, I'll click sign in. So but when you click get started for free, what you will do, you'll be required to provide a name, an email address, and a password. Alternatively, you can sign in or sign up through Google or X. In my case, I'm going to click sign in because I already have an account. And then once I'm signed in, I'll show you how the account looks on the inside. So I'm just going to click sign in. So right here, you can see how the platform looks like. So it's both a store and an affiliate program setup. Click on your profile and then you click on the affiliate hub, and then you'll be taken to the programs that you can promote. Once you're on the affiliate hub, that's affiliates.lemonsqueezy.com, you can come under the programs and then you'll see some of the products that they promote. So for example, one of the products that I'm promoting is the 1minute.ai stop. This program, which is a combination of several AI tools under one platform. So all you can do is, for example, click on this 1minute.ai and then you can go to 1minute.ai to check how the product looks like. So for me, I'm promoting the 1minute.ai, which is an easy and quick and efficient all-in-one app, which is powered by OpenAI, Midjourney, Google AI, Stability.ai, Anthropic, Meta, Leonardo AI, and all of them put together. When you're using this website, it's meant to make sure that you can achieve all you want, all your needs, all the AI needs in one program. Under this affiliate program, the rules are that I can earn 50% of every purchase you refer on. So 50% of every purchase. So when you look at their pricing, if a customer buys monthly business plan, which is $12.5, you will get 50%. In case they are buying the annual one, which is $10 per month for the business package, this will be $120, so you'll get 50% of that. The website also has a free plan, which gives you access to all product features, unlimited prompt library, a free 450,000 credits per month, and rollover unused credits, flexible credit use, monthly credit usage example, and several other features here that are worth your try. So just in case you'd like to try the 1minute.ai, you can check out the link in my bio. Once you apply and you're accepted to one of these programs, you'll be given a referral link, which will be useful in the next step of our process. But meanwhile, apart from Lemon Squeezy, you can also consider checking out the Amazon affiliate program, which is quite easy to join. Visit the Amazon Associates Central. You sign up, you'll be allowed into the program. And with the Amazon Associates program, you can promote products directly that are on the Amazon website. It's an easier program for you to sign up if you're a beginner, unlike the ClickBank and all the other programs that most gurus will suggest to you, which are quite difficult for you to sign up. Things to check out for when you're selecting your product: make sure that you research your product as much as it is available here. So check out for products with great reviews. And one of the things you'll enjoy by signing up on Lemon Squeezy, the great commission rates, which range between 5 to 15%. If you'd like to sign up for the Lemon Squeezy program, you can also check the link in my bio. Step 3, we are going to build a landing page. And a landing page is going to be our primary platform for promoting the product. We are going to do this using purely free tools. So one of the tools you're going to use is Systeme.io. So Systeme.io has a free plan, which will be sufficient for you to create a landing page. Once you're signed in, you come to the website's part and click sales funnel. I actually created a sales funnel which consists of a squeeze page, which is the page that people are going to see when they visit our site. Then it also consists of a thank you page. I did this earlier. I was able to create one, so I can maybe let you see how it looks like. So this is how my squeeze page looks like. So the copy reads, 500,000 plus innovators can't be wrong. The AI shortcuts changing how we work. So then I have some information here. Join 10,000 plus users who transform their work this week. So then the purpose of this page will be to have the people leave their email address here. They'll click on unlock instant AI power now. The purpose is to bring them to this a thank you page. Thanks for signing up, and check your inbox for more information. Get started by clicking the button below. So then they'll click to take me to 1minute.ai. So if you guys are interested in having me do a tutorial on how to create a squeeze page and a thank you page on systeme.io, you can let me know in the comments. The alternative route in building that will be to use Google Sites. Go to googlesites.com, and so once you're logged into your Google Sites, you'll see this option to create a blank site. So just click blank site. Google Sites is totally free, just this page, and just use a one-page landing page on Google Sites. Edit this. You can change the header type, play around with the header type, maybe have it cover, large banner, title only, or just a banner. Add your title here, for you could say 1 minute AI, and then get images from this website. And then you can add some content blocks down here to just explain a few of the features, and then add buttons. You also would like me to explain on how to do your landing page using the Google Sites format. You can let me know down in the comments. One easy way to generate content for your squeeze pages on systeme.io and Google Sites is to use DeepSeek. It's one of the recent models out of China that is taking the world by storm. So once you come to DeepSeek, you can ask, I want to promote this product as an affiliate. Create a landing page for the product that highlights benefits, includes customer testimonials, and encourages signups. So once you do that, just click on send, and then this is the beauty and magic of the tool. So we can see as it is thinking. So the tool tells us that, okay, so I need to create a landing page for 1minute.ai as an affiliate. Let me start by understanding what the user wants. They mentioned highlighting benefits, including testimonials, and encouraging signups. First, the structure of a typical landing page. So it explains to us the structure of a typical landing page. Then for the benefits, I need to think about what 1minute.ai offers. So it thinks about that. Then it thinks about the testimonials as well. Talks about encouraging signups, on the need to have a clear call to action button throughout the page. It's done with thinking. We see it's created for us a landing page. This is in HTML format. You can run the HTML to see how the landing page looks like. So this is so wonderful. You can see that it is actually even matched the colors, almost matched to the colors. We have get early access. So we can actually play around with the code to change whatever these buttons mention. But if you are not good at coding, you can just instruct it to change, maybe remove get early access to something else. So and you can see the title here is transform your workflow with AI in 60 seconds. But once it is done this for you, you could just copy this and go back to your Google Sites landing page. So then you can play around with the size of the texts, and maybe even change the color to improve the typography of the text and everything else. You can change this background image. So we can see we have more copy here, access 25 plus AI tools that automate writing, designing, analyzing, and more. Then the start free trial, to go back here and share the affiliate link with DeepSeek so that it can insert it automatically here on the start free trial. We have these tabs here, which is lightning fast results, direct cost efficient, smart automation. Then we have the testimonials and all this. So if you're not good at design, you can copy this and transform it to another website. Or if you want to cut down on your cost, you could hire a designer on Fiverr. Fiverr.com has a series of services that you could check out. If you're looking for a landing page designer, you can see there are a number of people who can help you create a landing page at different prices. This freelancer can create a modern landing page design for $90. But this is if you would like to spend some money and invest in your affiliate marketing journey. If you want to check out Fiverr, fiverr.com and hire a freelancer to help you out with creating the modern landing page. You can check out the link in my bio as well. Step 4, we are going to promote our affiliate link and our products on social media. So here again, you can choose whichever social media platform you want. In this case, I'll show you how to do this on Threads. Threads is actually an accompanying text-based app for the much more visual Instagram. So when you look at these statistics, you'll see that in terms of demographics, Threads is one of the younger platforms. Over a third of the Threads audience, which is 36.39%, are aged between 25 and 34, and the second biggest age group is 19.29%, which is between 18 to 24. When we come to this platform, make sure that you creating posts, at least 3 to 4 posts a day, and then mix these posts between educational posts, funny relatable content, and polls. So what you can do to come up with the content, you can still go back to DeepSeek, ask it. Again, as you can see, I've just put 5 days, but for the period you can do as much as you want, and then just click enter to see what this tool is going to do for you. So, and here we are. So it's running. Let's see the kind of content it's going to suggest to us. So here is a 5-day Threads content plan for promoting 1minute.ai with a mix of educational, entertaining, and interactive posts. So day 1, launch momentum, education. This is an educational post. So we see here PSA, your 24-hour day just got upgraded. 1minute.ai's 25 plus AI tools. What used to take 1 hour now takes 60 seconds. Your 8-hour workday now 2 hours. Then at this point you can put in your affiliate links in the comments. And of course, remember that at this point you're not putting in the affiliate link but our landing page. Then there is what will you do with your extra time. So that's an example of an educational post. Second post of the day, you could do a text-based meme when you realize your new AI assistant works faster than your morning coffee kicks in. So, and then that's it. Then the third post you could do for the day is productivity confession time, which is a poll. Which task do you hate doing most? So they can click on either writing emails, making presentations, data analysis, graphic design, and then vote, and I'll show you the 1minute.ai solution. So for day 2, we can also see the same kinds of content here, and this is pretty good. If you can organize this and book content for at least a month to 2, you'll be sure to start getting in some views and some conversions. You can convert this as well, content from Threads, and use it on a different platform. Maybe you can use Twitter as well, and maybe Facebook. Once you're done with the step 4, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 5 is a bonus most YouTube gurus will not let you know. So in step 5, staying consistent and having realistic expectations. So most YouTube gurus will tell you that once you create your landing page and once you post on social media, then you are just going to get in the crazy results. Some will tell you you'll get $2,900. Some will tell you being financially free and all those sorts of claims. But the truth of the matter is that affiliate marketing is work, and for you to succeed, you must stay consistent and have realistic expectations. So you have to post daily for 3 to 6 months to build momentum on your page. Then secondly, you have to update your landing page monthly with fresh content. And as you have seen, it's much easier to do that with DeepSeek at hand. The realistic expectation is that most affiliates see their first sale in 30 to 90 days with consistent effort. So when you begin now, you can be assured that in 3 months' time, you're likely to have your first consistent sale. If you have 50 followers, you're likely to make 1 to 2 sales per month. And if you have 1,000 plus followers, you're likely to make 10 to 20 sales per month with optimized content and consistent effort. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to like, subscribe, and share to let other people with similar interests know about this video and become financially independent. See you in our next video.